Good evening and welcome to York. We're down here for the Christmas markets, the Christmas lights, and just a general look around.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
And now onto the famous Shambles.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. Oh, la, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if we spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. By the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
It is so busy. The line all the way around there just for some crumbles. Well, I fancy some hot chocolate. Let me get to the back of the line. Maybe not. Well, the market was absolutely crazy, so we've come back to Shambles and want to head back to the car. But look, an empty shop. Penny black too, perhaps? No thanks, too expensive.
I'm fully aware of it. I don't know how long it takes to close. Can you come back tomorrow?
Oh, sorry.
No, you just nearly flew. Okay.
Thank you. Have a lovely day. See you soon. Alright. Are we having a nice time? Spellbound. That is absolutely genius. Can I interest you in the back?
You do know that says poisonous, right? That's poison.
Yes, sir, yeah.
That's poison.
Yeah, it's definitely poison, yeah.
$8.99.
Do you want to try?
No.
It says poison.
No.
Go on.
No.
Fresh thing up there. There we go. Welcome, welcome. Little fresh portion activation there. It's the spellbound butterscotch up here. Now, you give it 10 seconds unless it explodes and bursts our eye sockets wide open. We don't want any death. And we do our little fresh check. Lovely. Nice and fresh. Tornado Paul! There it is. Now, as we all know, the Wizard's cream is best produced, fresh and ready. Here it is. Going all over the place. Lovely topping to your delicious drink. That'll go in and around your mouth. And of course, here is some sticky caramel sauce just to top off the entire experience for you. Ooh, filthy. And do you have any allergies to wheat or gluten, my friend?
No.
Pop. Here we go. A little pasta straw for you.
Yes.
Enjoy, my friends. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. You're licking my cream.
I'm gonna say something there, but I best not.
What, you going to suck my straw? Any good?
Busy butt up here.
Cool.
Oh, Lace.
But you have to go.
Can I have my drink back, please? Can I have my drink back, please? Can I have my drink? Thank you. Well, that was York at Christmas and York Christmas Market. Oh my god, I have never seen York as busy. Ever in my entire life. And the market was very expensive. The only thing we bought was that butterbeer. But yeah, oh, that's apparently TikTok famous. I was grabbing a cat hair off my hat. Cat on a hat. Anywho, that will do it for today. See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.